Can a hair growth serum actually grow new hair? Because I feel like every other serum on the internet promises baby hairs, thicker growth, and Rapunzel level hair growth. So I decided to look past the marketing and check what actually goes into a hair growth serum. Do they actually work? What kind of hair growth can you expect? And what makes one hair growth serum better than another? So let's talk about all these points in detail. First, a hair growth serum is not magic. You can't apply something on your scalp today and expect a full head of hair next week. That's not how it works. Hair grows slowly. When we talk about hair growth, we are usually talking about the hair follicles and encouraging new and fine hair to grow. So if you have a thinning hairline, a wider looking parting, or tiny baby hairs that you'd like to see becoming more visible, that is the kind of hair growth we are talking about in this video. And this is where the ingredients in your scalp serum become important. Bondress Pro Plus Scalp Serum combines 4 key actives: 3% Redensil, 5% Capexil, 3% Anagen, and 3% Procapil. Now these names can sound very complicated. I had a hard time even pronouncing them, but let's break them down slowly. Redensil is designed to support hair growth cycle and hair follicle activity. Capexil is a peptide and botanical based active used in hair growth formulations to support hair density and hair follicle environment. Anagen comes from pea sprout extract and is designed to support the hair growth cycle. And Propakil is a combination of actives designed to support the hair follicle and help improve the hair growth environment. Now all this sounds very promising, right? And instead of just relying on one active, Bondress combines all 4 in a 14% peptide blend. And there's actually research behind these ingredients. So now let's talk about what does the science say. There has been a small clinical study on 3% Redensil. Let me just read it briefly for you. It involved 26 men and compared Redensil with a placebo over 3 months. Now, the Redensil group showed an increase in the percentage of hair in the growth phase, along with an increase in hair density. I love this. There's also research on pea sprout extract, which is the basis of Anagen. One small study looked at topical pea sprout extract and found changes in markers involved in the hair growth cycle. Now these studies show that these are not just random ingredients picked for a fancy label. There's actually research done behind the ingredients used in the formula. So what makes Bondress different? Now there's another thing I usually look at whenever I put any product into my scalp. I always want to check what ingredients are there, and as we just saw, it has really good ingredients and there has been research done behind these. And it's not just as simple as what is inside. It's how the product is made, how the formulation is done, and what kind of product it actually is. That's what matters. Bondress Pro Plus is manufactured to pharma grade standards and every batch is tested for its active concentration. And Bondress is also dermatologist prescribed. So this isn't just another cosmetic serum that happens to have a few trendy ingredients in it. Now this is the kind of formulation that focuses on scalp and hair growth, and the active concentration and manufacturing standard is made around that purpose. And Bondress has a pretty specific claim here. The brand says that its 14% peptide blend is designed to support baby hair growth. And according to the brand, 92% of people saw visible baby hair growth in 84 days. Notice the timeline, okay? It's not 7 days, not 2 weeks, it's 84 days. That's roughly 3 months. Honestly, that's the kind of timeline you should expect whenever we are talking about hair growth. Hair growth takes time, it takes consistency. It's not an overnight process, it's not a quick process. So you have to be very consistent and have patience. Now let's talk about how to use a hair growth serum. Using it correctly is actually pretty simple. With Bondress, you use 8 to 10 pumps directly onto the scalp. I part my hair in different sections and spray it directly onto the scalp and then gently massage it in. And again, the most important part is be consistent with it. So now back to the original questions. Do hair growth serums actually work? But I think the better question is, does the serum have the formulation that makes sense for the kind of hair growth you are looking for? Now, if you have fine baby hair, or your hairline is thinning, or if you're noticing your entire hair density is not what it used to look like before, this is the kind of concern that a hair growth serum is designed to target. I think most of us already understand this, but I just wanted to make it clear. The goal is to support your existing hair follicles, if you did not know that, and encourage visible baby hair growth over time. And this distinction is important because I know some people have very different expectations, so I just wanted to make this point clear. So if you're having sudden hair loss or there's significant amount of hair loss, don't just assume you need a serum, okay? Hair loss can happen for many different reasons: genetics, hormones, thyroid issues, nutrition deficiencies, medications, scalp conditions, and so on. There can be so many various reasons that we don't know of. So if you experience this serious and unexplainable amount of hair loss. In these cases, it's better to speak to a dermat and understand the cause. But if your goal is to support baby hair growth or your hair density in general, then a product like Bontress Pro Plus makes sense. We are almost towards the end of the video, so I just want to tell you a few points before I let you go. If you're genuinely looking for a hair growth serum, don't just buy what is trending on the market, because there are so many serums on the market. I can understand it can be very overwhelming, so don't just see what is trending or see what everyone is using around you. Do your research. Look at the formulation, look at the credibility of the product, look at the actives and the concentration. And that's exactly why Bontress stood out to me. It has the right ingredients at the right concentrations to help you grow real baby hairs. If you have ever tried a hair growth serum, please do let me know in the comments down below, and please tell me how it worked for you. Did you actually see new baby hair? Did you actually see it affecting your hair density? I want to know it all. I want to know your experience, so please do let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get more consistent on YouTube again, and I will see you next time. Bye.